Track 118.
Languages of the world. There are around 7,000 different languages in the world today. Languages that are similar to each other are in groups or families. Some languages have a lot of speakers and others have very few. Many of the smaller languages have no writing, so when the last speaker dies, the language dies too.
Europe. Europe has 284 different languages. One language family here is Romance languages, which includes Spanish, Portuguese, and Italian. Another is Slavic languages, such as Russian, Polish, and Czech. English belongs to the Germanic group and is the third largest language in the world. 335 million people speak it as a first language, and 505 million speak it as a second language. The Basque language from Spain and France is very unusual. It doesn't belong to any language family.
Asia. Asia has 2,303 languages. Chinese has 1 billion speakers, more than any other language in the world. Hindi is the world's fourth largest language, and Arabic comes fifth. Some parts of Asia have a very large number of languages.
Americas. This area has 1,060 languages. English and Spanish have the most speakers on these continents. Spanish, with 406 million speakers, is the world's second largest language. Portuguese is spoken in Brazil, while in Canada, people speak mainly English and French. There are also many other native languages, for example, Mam, a Mayan language which people speak in parts of Mexico and Guatemala.
Africa. Human language probably began on this continent. There are 2,146 languages here. Many people in Africa can speak more than one language because, as well as their own language, they also speak English, French, or Portuguese.
Australia and Oceania. This area has 1,311 languages in total. The main language of Australia and New Zealand is English, but there are a lot of smaller languages too. Papua New Guinea has only around 8 million people, but it has 832 languages, more than any other country. Unfortunately, some Aboriginal languages are very small now and have only 1 or 2 speakers.